Linux installable CD customization. Earlier we have seen creation of live CD. Here we will see the creation of customizable installable CD or DVD. The tool that we will be using here is known as Cubic. Let us see the characteristics of this kind of installation. I would rather call it features. One can make your own Linux or Ubuntu distribution. You can add software packages. You can remove software packages. You can update software packages. You can change the system defaults like theme, icons, desktop background, fonts, etc. You can add startup applications. Cubic tool. Here is some important information about the Cubic tool. It provides GUI wizard. One can create a customized bootable Ubuntu Live CD or ISO image. It provides integrated command line chroot environment. It provides effortless navigation backward and forward throughout the ISO generation process. One can create new customization projects or modify the existing projects, and important parameters are automatically populated with intelligent defaults. Let us see the prerequisite for the Linux installable CD customization. And the prerequisites are standard installable ISO image, software installed on the system, sufficient space to store the ISO image, and software to create customized live or installable CD. It's demo time. Let's talk about the Cubic installation. First, find the link to the Cubic installation and follow the steps as mentioned in the documentation part. Just copy the link and paste it. This is to add the Launchpad PPA to your system, which provides repository for the Cubic installation. Next, update the repository so that the Cubic installation can be executed. Now install the Cubic part. Once you are done with that, execute the Cubic tool. Now select the location for the project, that is your project directory. Select the original ISO image that we downloaded from the vendor site. Provide the version name as per your convenience and requirement. Go to next step. It will extract the compressed original ISO image and will provide you with the rooted environment, as you can see in the upcoming step. Here is the rooted environment. First, verify if proper network connectivity has been established in the environment. Now go to the /etc/apt directory and open the file known as source.list. The package resources listed is used to locate archive of the packages in your system. From the original Ubuntu installation, find out the repositories that you require. Here is the list of repositories that is already available in the properly installed Ubuntu system. copy these repositories. Once you are done with copying the repositories, then just paste those repositories in your chrooted sources.list file. Save the file, and now let's update the repository list. Once you are done with the updation of the repository list, then go to the directory /user/share/backgrounds. This is the location where you can find all the background images once your operating system is installed. Here we have selected additional 3 background files or image files that we want to copy and should be made available in the new installation. Once the copy is done, what we need to do now is to modify the file ubuntu wallpaper.xml. Here you need to add or edit the existing entries with the newly copied image files. Here, as you can see, we are modifying or editing the existing images. Once we are done with the changes, save and exit. Next step is to install couple of packages. Let us take first package as wire. We execute apt install wire. It will install the wire software on the upcoming or customized ISO image file. Next package or software that we install is CoreBird. The reason that we are installing these packages is to show that the system that will be installed with the customized ISO created via Cubic software will have all the software pre-installed by default, and we are going to verify it with the client verification step. Here it completes the installation of this software, and the next screen is advanced setting, where as you can see, one can select packages that will automatically removed after a typical or minimal install. Dependent packages will also be removed. Next tab is about ISO boot kernel. This kernel is used to bootstrap the original live ISO image. Next tab is about preseed file. This is the file for automated installation. As you can see, it has provided 3 different types of files. Last tab is about the grub configuration. It provides you the option for boot menu that includes timeout, menu looks and feels, menu options, etc. You can select the file and the options that you want to edit in this particular section. Once you are done with this, you can proceed with generation of the customized ISO file. Once you are done with modification or editing of these particular files, in the advanced setting option, you click the generate button so as to create or generate the customized ISO image file. As you can see here, it starts with the procedure of creating the customized ISO image with all modifications that you just implemented, such as wallpaper addition and certain software package installations. We have fast forwarded it for time saving purpose. Finally, once it has copied the file or generated the file, it will calculate the MD5 checksum as can be seen here. Next, we click the finish button and you get the information about version, file name, directory, volume ID, release name, etc. We copy this MD5 checksum for verification purpose. Here we go to the directory where the customized ISO image file has been created. Here, as you can see, the .iso file is there as well as the MD5 checksum file is also there. We execute the command MD5 sum against the .iso file. Once it creates the MD5 checksum, we just verify this MD5 checksum against the actual file that was created initially, and hence this way we can verify that everything is properly done. Here is the image size of 2.3 GB. Let us verify the installation of Linux software using the customized ISO file that we have created using the Cubic software. We will first go to the background because we made some changes during the Cubic customized ISO creation in the background files. Let's see if they are reflected. I click the background and yes, the files are reflected. Let's apply those changes to the background. Next is we have installed the CoreBird software during the Cubic customized ISO creation. If it works fine, that shows that whatever we have done during the customized ISO creation using Cubic software is reflected properly. Yes, it works fine. That shows that everything is installed properly.